How to treat pink eye at home. Pink eye is an eye condition that is usually temporary and the result of a bacterial infection, viral infection, or allergic reaction. People can help relieve the symptoms of each type with home remedies. 1. Use a cool compress. Pink eye causes inflammation around the eye that can be irritating and even painful. Using a cool and damp compress will help reduce inflammation and soothe the eye. How to use a compress for pink eye: soak a clean washcloth or hand towel in warm or cool water, wring out any excess water, place the damp washcloth over the eye and leave there for a few minutes and remove the washcloth from the eye and wash your hands immediately. 2. Damp cloth clean. People who have bacterial pink eye might notice a thick discharge, or pus, leaking from the eye that it is affecting. Pus dries quickly, forming a crust along the edges of the eyelids. People may have difficulty opening their eye, especially in the morning after the pus has had time to sit and harden overnight. Use a warm, damp cloth to remove pus from around the eye and lashes. 3. Eye drops. Lubricating eye drops, or natural tears, can soothe irritation or burning in the eye. Eye drops can help relieve the symptoms of all types of pink eye. They help to flush out allergens, irritants, and discharge. 4. Pain-relieving medication. Some over-the-counter medications can help minimize pink eye symptoms. Allergy medication can also relieve symptoms of pink eye if an allergy is the cause. These medications include antihistamine tablets, topical eye drops containing antihistamines, and mast cell stabilizers. 5. Avoid touching the eyes. Touching or rubbing the eyes can make the symptoms of pink eye worse, and can mean it takes longer to clear up. If a person needs to touch their eyes, they can do so by washing their hands thoroughly both before and afterward. Avoid wearing contact lenses until the symptoms have gone away to prevent further irritation. Do you have any questions, experiences, or remedies yourself you want to share? Please submit them in the comments under this video. Why not visit our website fastnaturalremedies.com for lots of tips and advice about home remedies. Do you like this video and want to keep updated about the latest home remedies? In that case, like, share and click the subscribe button for more fast natural remedies.